Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can possibly fix an error where you're trying to unlock your Cash Card on Cash App and it's not working. So let's get right into it. I will be using this Reddit article simply because I don't have Cash App in my region. I do hope you guys understand, but here you'll find all the needed troubleshooting steps which will help you fix this problem if you have it. Now, as you can see, the first answer is if you're on Wi-Fi, use cell data. Your network might be impacting the performance of your app, so make sure your network is stable. And if you can't fix your Wi-Fi, if the network is stable, try going over into cell data. Do try to refresh or restart your router. That might fix your problems. Other than that, you can also try contacting your ISP, see if they have any problems, and if they do, then you need to wait for them to fix it. Other than that, you can also contact support either on squ.re/cash help or cash.app/support, and you can contact them through there or within the app. In the app, just go to your account settings in the top right to go ahead and go to the support section and contact them directly, either a chat or well, you'll either chat with a bot or a real person, so you can either try that. If that doesn't work, you can also try dialing their number, which is 1-800-969-1940, which is their live number, which you can call for support, which might be too busy. It is available from 9 a.m. through 7 p.m. However, they might be too busy or they might not work. So you might need to leave a message requesting a callback. Other than that, you can also contact them on Twitter through @CashSupport or on Facebook through @SquareCash, and for any other issues, support should help you just like that. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.